Hi everyone, welcome back to our second YouTube video by Simi's Couture. This is Simi Rebello here and we are back with our new and latest video. Well, I hope all of you all are doing really fine at home in this lockdown. Stay safe and do watch our video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, the link also for our Instagram website is down below. Please do refer to it because we're having huge sales and huge offers and we come up with new designs every now and then, so do not miss them. Please stay tuned to our Instagram account. Okay, so for today's video, as I said, with every video there will be a fun fact which will be earrings. Commonly we know nowadays is worn only by girls, ladies and women, but in olden days, in ancient times, they were also worn by men. Yeah. One famous personality who you could say wore earrings was William Shakespeare, a very famous personality in English literature. So guess what was the design or which pattern of earrings did he wear in those times? That was like some centuries ago. Well, he wore the most famous design even in today's years is the hoop, the round ring earrings. If you really want to know which is the hoop and you still do not get it, go through my previous video. You will come to know the type of earrings that I've mentioned and the hoop has been mentioned in that video. Well, in this hoop earring, they were not only worn by people who were rich or poor, but they were also worn by people of different classes. For example, the pirates, who used to be the thieves at sea, who used to rob ships. They also wore earrings. That signified that they were pirates, and they wore those heavy silver or gold chunk hoops which were actually U-shaped, not round shape. So now we know not only women but also men used to wear hoop earrings. While we do know that even in today's time men do wear earrings, boys do wear earrings. It's become a style statement, and now you do not wear it on both the ears but just on one ear with a single stud. Well, that was for today's fun fact of our interesting video for earrings. But now coming back to exactly why I have shot this video of earrings and what are the designs I'm coming up with today. So well, in today's video, I have decided to tell you exactly according to your face structure how you can style your earrings and what earrings you can actually go for. Because I get a lot of customers and I get a lot of clients asking me that I have a long face or have a short face and I do not know which earring can I buy, or I don't know whether that will suit me, will it look good on me. So I've decided that according to different face structures that all of us have, we need to know which earring we could go for and which one is going to suit us the best, so you do not miss out on good chances when you're shopping online. Because when you shop online, it does become difficult to know how that earring is going to look on you. So for today's video, just stay up and look at the designs that are coming up, and I'll tell you exactly with which face structure and with. So if you have a round face and a short neck, then I would definitely advise you to go for long earrings. Long earrings like these. Yeah. These are pretty long. They're not very much heavy and they are medium weight, but they really enhance your face features, and that's why if you have a face like that with a really short neck, then long earrings, really make it look good. So I do have a few colors in this design and the price of it is also be put down. Also, I will be putting a reference pic either in this video, or you could check our Instagram account for the reference pic. This is a blue color that I have here with me, and we have pearl hangings, and this part here is meenakari work with kundan stones. The one that I am wearing is grey in color. I do also have a light pinkish peach color. If you notice this, you can also wear this on any of your traditional outfits or your saris. They look really pretty, and these pearls are really enhancing this design and pattern of the earrings. And I also have another last color. So there are 4 colors in this pattern. There's grey, there's blue, there's pink, and this is the red color. So the price of these earrings will be mentioned down, and they are also on our page. Do not miss them. Because a lot of y'all who watched our previous episode, our first video that we shot, and the earrings that we put up, I got a lot of reviews, lot of feedbacks that all of y'all love those earrings that we put up there, and a lot of orders also came for those. So yeah, some earrings went out of stock, and hence we could not restock that, so y'all lost on them. But do not forget, this time please go, if you really like these earrings, please go and get them for you, because they're really good, and especially if you have a short neck and round face. Yeah, okay, coming, if you have a long face like I do, so then you can go for round small earrings, because that will really suit your face structure. So the ones like these, you can see they look very dainty and very pretty. This is something I have in champagne color, and it's got diamonds here, and it's a stud type. It's very light, and it goes on western, on Indian, on your regular outfits. You can definitely wear this. The price for this will be mentioned down below. Also, there will be a reference image. If possible, I'll do a shape kind of a face. Then definitely I would advise you to go for the long dangle earrings. These are long dangling earrings, so when you have a square shaped face, this helps it look much better. So always remember, when you have a square shaped face, you can go for these type of long dangling earrings. And yes, we do have colors also in them. The price of these and the reference picture will be mentioned. The price will be mentioned down in this video itself. This is a baby pink that we have. Then we also have a Rani pink, and they're really light and they're really nice and long. They look pretty good, and nowadays long earrings are a lot in vogue and style, so you can go for these ones. And then we also have the green earrings, the bottle green color. So we have right now is 4 colors. The bottle green, our Rani pink, and we have the baby pink, and the blue color. So these are our earring colors, and the price is obviously going to be mentioned down below. If you want to take any of these colors, they are all in single pieces right now in stock, so do let us know. You can place your order on Instagram or on WhatsApp. Okay, now we come up to our next kind of a face highlight. It's called the small features. Okay, so what exactly is the small features? Now for small features, you can wear something like this large earrings. So small features, I'll give you an example of a famous actress, Alia Bhatt. If you see Alia Bhatt's face, she's got really small features, and that is why most of the time she wears huge chunky earrings, because that's what suits when you have small features. So when you have small features, you can go for like these chunky earrings. This is a kind of a gunmetal jhumka. So we call this gunmetal because it's kind of a blackish color polish, and it's got pearls here. It's not very heavy, but yeah, these are big, large size earrings, you can call them, and they look pretty good on traditional outfits or saris. And if you have those features just like Alia Bhatt, then I think you should not miss on these earrings. The price for these earrings will be mentioned down below. And then coming to our last kind of a face structure for today's video, it's called the sharp features. Now for sharp features, we have something like round oval earrings. So oval earrings like these, they really help you enhance your sharp features. And see, when you have sharp features, if you wear long and you wear chunky earrings, then your face features and the earrings just keep on getting clashed, and you know the earrings will come up more than your face features when you have sharp features. So that is why they advise you, when you have sharp features, wear small round oval earrings, so that your face is also well taken up with those features. But not only that, also the earrings have been taken up. So these, I'll just give you a close-up. This is the kind of round oval earrings. This is also one pair, one color in stock, and the price for this is going to be mentioned down. So I hope you liked today's video. Today's video was all about how you style your earrings with your shape of your face. So you can go check them out, decide which is your type of face and which is your type of earring that you're going to buy. Well, you can definitely always keep on trying and trying different styles, mixing, matching. That looks really good. So yeah, do try new styles. It's not that you have to stick only to one design or one pattern, but preferably if you do not like moving on to something else, or if you just like to stay on one design, one pattern, then you can decide what's your face type, face structure, and select that kind of a earring and shop with us. Well, the link again for our Instagram page is going to be mentioned down. Do shop them, and I'll see you in the next video, definitely with some new interesting facts coming up. Do comment what would you like to see in our next video based on jewelry, and I'll definitely try and get that shot for you. Also, new designs coming up pretty soon, so stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel as soon as possible. Bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.